We've always done it this way. Oh, we're just gonna wing it. Oh yeah, well, we tried this, but we can't really find how it worked back in the days. Oh, everyone does it their own way. There's no process for this. All of these are massive triggers for you to understand that we are at the moment just flying by the seat of our pants, acting, performing, doing things without having a proper structure in place. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the PDCA cycle, 4 stages, accredited to Paul Deming, the forefather of business improvement and the total quality management revolution. And I want to tell you how these 4 simple steps are really easy to put in place so that you've got a better continuous improvement practice and culture within your organization or your life. So PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act. And these 4 stages are really simple to get you aligned on a more evidence-based, data-based, problem-driven, scientific way of improving your business and your life. So first of all, when you do planning, what you want to do is you want to be really clear on your problem statement, on the processes, the ways that you're doing things that are currently not working and that you want to fix. And when you do, rather than changing everything, what you want to do is just change 1%. 1% improvement over time will have a massive impact, and it is less risk and easier to rectify should it not work. And it is also a quicker turnaround. So once we've done the 1% improvement, we're going to get to check. And we often forget that. We're either happy that it worked, or if it didn't work, we kind of hide in the corner and are a bit ashamed that we tried something that didn't work and we revert back to what we used to do before. That's what we don't want to do. We want to check, has it worked, has it not worked? And what we're looking for here is evidence, feedback, and data. It can be very confronting to ask people whether or not something is better or not, but this is really where the power of business improvement comes in. We're not just doing things or trying things or changing things, we're changing them based on data. And once we've got our evidence and we know whether it worked or not, we're now going to act. So either we standardize what worked, so we put it back into templates, we put it back into our processes, we might alter our systems or put more permanent structures in place that take our test into the new way of working. Or if it hasn't worked, this is where we start again. And that's why it's a continuous improvement mindset. It's not continuous improvement change once. It is a continuous improvement that we do as part of how we think and operate in our business. So I hope you're going to use the PDCA cycle soon, and leave a comment below, subscribe, like the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.